everyone. My name is Michal, and I work at the University of the West of England in Bristol, where besides lecturing and program leading, I am also heavily involved in understanding AI and its impact on teaching, learning, and assessment practices and shape our response. It is great to meet you all, and I want you to meet the virtual version of me. It is still me, but in a digital form, so yes. I have cloned my voice for the purpose of this video. It meant to be slightly provocative. And this is the first part. The second part is going a step further. And I want to ask a simple question. What if technology takes over? I know how it sounds, but please bear with me because I have a point. Firstly, I want to walk you through some basics. Generative AI is a relatively new invention. I am not quite sure we are all aware of the size of the latest generative AI models, but the likes of ChatGPT 4.0, currently one of the most powerful models, have read the entire internet. We are talking here about nearly everything that has ever been written and uploaded to the World Wide Web. While the models available in the late 2022 and early 2023 had impressive but somehow limited capabilities, the models available now are significantly more powerful. I could probably spend an hour talking about capabilities, but for the purpose of this presentation, we need to assume two things. Generative AI models can communicate in a natural human language and know a lot. How much exactly these models know? ChatGPT 3.5 was trained on 500 billion pages of text, including every book, website, blog post, Twitter post, etc. These models obviously have limitations, but let's focus on capabilities. So my question is simple and perhaps controversial. What if technology takes over? Can you imagine the scenario where technology companies, with their vast financial resources and technical capabilities, decide to invest in educational market and create AI-powered university courses that are available, location-free to anyone around the globe at their convenience? Not possible. Well, it is obvious that such virtual courses would not be able to replicate the full-on campus experience. However, they would definitely have some advantages too. They could offer access to personal tutor available 24/7, unlimited knowledge, ability to offer fully personalized learning and feedback, and many more. The question is, how would a computer know what to teach and how to structure such courses? They would probably not know that. However, here is where the human input could overcome this problem. Sure, such courses could be designed by educators who would set up parameters and rules for such courses to operate within. While the university experience is so much more than didactic learning, it is feasible for generative AI to be able to deliver some elements of the overall university experience that it would be then supplemented by a more traditional approach. This could lead to the creation of hybrid courses, where some teaching and exercises are delivered by AI and traditional in-classroom teaching could focus on developing less technical, human skills such as negotiation, presentation, synthesis, critical thinking, creation, etc. Not possible? Perhaps not at the moment, but business schools have to recognize this potential threat, especially in the context of various issues surrounding higher education. For example, it has been reported that classroom attendance and student engagement remain relatively poor comparing to the pre-pandemic times. Why do students not engage and do not see the value in attending all the classes? Is face-to-face delivery always the best solution when AI can provide a perfectly feasible explanation of some of the topics? This question remains open and there is no easy answer. However, we need to realize that times are changing and technology can assist us in delivering learning outcomes for students. It is therefore essential to realize that business as usual is not really an option. Leveraging technology such as generative AI could enrich our educational offering and yes, perhaps replace some of the classroom teaching. It will not happen overnight, but we need to put considerably greater effort and resources to recognize both the threats and the opportunities this technology presents. Otherwise, we may wake up in a few years' time and realize that technology is taking over and we have been asleep at the wheel, but then it may be too late. Thank you for